Want to scale your workshop or start a profitable business? Meet the HF1212-5 Axis CNC Router, a powerful, high-speed machine designed for 3D carving and cutting on stone, wood, EPS foam, and more. Equipped with a 10 kW automatic tool change spindle, Taiwan SYNTEC control system, and YASKAWA servo motors, this CNC router delivers precision and performance that professionals rely on. Whether you're crafting antique furniture, trimming fiberglass parts, or building large foam molds, this machine can help you earn $3,000 to $15,000 or more per month by offering high-demand services. Don't miss the chance to automate and grow your business. Click the link below to get yours today.